So I came across this Commodore 128 computer for $80 on eBay. You don't hardly find these things that cheap. So I went ahead and got it, and it's not gotten here yet. It looks like it's in decent shape. It was listed as not tested for parts only, so I don't know if it works, but I will find out. So in anticipation for the arrival of the Commodore 128 computer, I disconnected this from the Commodore VIC-20, and I put some barrel connectors on the original Commodore 128 connector, so I can test my new power supply with the Commodore 128 and see if it works. Oh, I love packages. Love them, love them. Uh-oh, gotta cover that up. In here, this slot, the cassette cable. The guy, true to his word, seen it. So thank you, whoever showed me the candy color computer. Oh, but what's in this box? We shall see. We shall see. Whoa. It's the elusive, the one and the only Commodore 128. Does it work? I don't know. It is cheap, very cheap. So, man. Uh-oh, okay. Now it's just what? It's in decent condition. I don't know what that's about. That could be some kind of like, hey, this computer don't work, maybe. I don't know. All the screws are in there. I'm hoping this is like a sleeper deal, in that the guy that sold this to me, well, he doesn't usually sell computers. He sells like knickknacks or whatever, and so I'm hoping that he didn't know what he had. Maybe, is that terrible? Keyboard feels good, and that he just didn't realize that this was a Commodore 128 computer, and I got it really cheap, so I gotta power it up and see if it comes on. Okay, so I've reattached the connector that I cut off for this homemade power supply I made, which was originally a Commodore 128 power supply, but it started smoking when I turned it on, so I took the original insides out and replaced it with a couple of power adapters, 5 volt and 9 volt, 5 volt DC, 9 volt AC, and reattached it to this connector. And I originally got this Commodore 128 power supply in anticipation of a Commodore 128, which I had bought previously, like a month or two ago, but the guy never seen it, so I got my money back on that, and then I came across this one, like I said earlier, really cheap. I don't know, it may or may not work. I'm not powered it up yet, so I'm about to find that out. I still have to plug this into the main, electrical outlet, and I will power this on and see what it does. Okay, stand by. Dude, I just powered it on. I got a video monitor cable running it into a video, those video thingies, USB thingies, and dude, it's on and it works. It works. That's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. So let me see if the Commodore 64. Wait a minute. Let me see if it plays the sound. If it can. I don't remember the commands here. Oh, wait a minute. I don't have. Wait. Stand by. Pause. Okay. I had to hook up the audio. Okay. So the audio works. It's amazing. Let's see if it goes to Commodore 64 mode. Yep. Dude! So, I have a fully functioning Commodore 128 computer. Well, I'm not testing the CPM, the Z80 chip on it, but, and, everything's not going to be tested on it, but it's powered up. It seems to be working, and dude, that's awesome. That is totally awesome. It's working, and it's working with the power supply, maybe. Ain't that? It's so cool. All right, this is Scotty Animation. Talk to you guys later.